Well, it's finally here, guys. This is the new MacBook Pro M5. Get you the exact model. So this model is the MGDT 4LLA. It's a 14-inch with the new M5 Pro chip, 24 gigs of RAM, and 2 terabyte of storage. So let's go ahead and get this opened. A little quick unboxing video. So these dropped yesterday, from what I was told. Went to the Apple store today to pick it up. I was actually I didn't know that this released. And then I got there and they were telling me it just released, so I looked at it and liked it. So big power brick like normal. Nice braided cable, magnetic safe. It's got all your warranty paperwork and stuff like that. Awesome box as always. They're definitely about securing their items in their boxes. Now I went with the black, or as some people call it, like graphite. I still say it's black. You know, it's got like a slight hue to it. And here it is. Big vent ports in the back. Nice rubber feet. Embossed MacBook Pro logo. Well, MacBook Pro wording. So this is a very nice powerhouse style laptop. It's got a lot of power for video editing, for post-production. And I'll have to log in, set this up, and then we'll go from there. But if you want to get one of these, they are available now. They had low stock when I got there, and that was at like 10 o'clock. So if you're looking to get your hands on one of these, I will drop a link to where you can get it online if you don't want to go to an Apple store. So stay tuned. I'll have plenty of videos on this laptop and more.